look at the different dimensions of quality engineering. Well, first of all, there's three dimensions, as we talked about earlier, with functional tools and process and non-functional testing. So when we look at this and the various facets of quality engineering, it really encompasses several areas. And as we talked about earlier, there are different platforms in which these applications are released. Before, about, let's say, even 5 years ago, it was either mobile development or you had web, or you had one of each. But now with responsive design and hybrid web apps, you must include mobile. So mobile is really actually a part of the statement. It's not something that you have to actually add. It's actually a requirement for most organizations. So when we look at this in terms of the type of testing that we need to do, we need to include mobile testing, mobile device testing, resolution testing or visual testing, API automation, test data management, and of course the application. You also want to be able to scale your testing, which is one of the reasons you want to implement cloud-based test automation as well. And this includes using various test automation frameworks, and this will span from using frameworks such as, and there are a ton, but if you think about just the more popular ones, such as Selenium, and then on the mobile side, Appium, as well as Espresso and XUI test. And then, of course, those processes include continuous integration and continuous delivery. Some of the non-functional testing areas that many organizations really struggle with in terms of how can they add this to their overall QE processes is not only performance, but back-end performance, but also front-end performance testing, as well as security, and the ability to do all of these different types of testing on these multiple platforms.